general intelligence and reasoning part. Let us look at the first question from this part here. Select the option that represents the correct order of the given word as they would appear in dictionary order. Em order amma? First 4 letters A, D, J, U. Same gada? Concentrate only on the 5th letter. What are the 5th letters? N, V, S, G, R. What comes first? G, N, R, S, V. G is what? 4. What is N? 1. R is 5. S is 3, 2. 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. Which option is my answer? Come on. Next. Look at the letters. I always tell you to only concentrate on the place values. Did I? Compare the first letter with the first, second with the second, third with the third, and fourth with the fourth. What is the first letter place value? 10. And the other side, 14. 10 and 14 plus 4. 18, 22 plus 4. 2 and 6 plus 4. 20, 24 plus 4. P is how much? 16. How much is 16 plus 4? 20. T. How many options? Every option. Next is 1. 1 plus 4, 5. E. How many? 2 options. The third letter will fetch me the answer. Third letter, Q. Q is how much? 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 is what? U. Which option is my answer? Amma, 4th option. My answer is 4th option. Is this clear? Next, look at these numbers. Now, this is a question clearly on odd man out classification, isn't it? 4 numbers have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the number that is different. 149, 133, 252 and 168. There are 2 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. You can't make it out from even and odd. So they are neither squares nor cubes. How will you identify this question here? We have to see whether they are divisible by some numbers, multiples of the same number. 149. One thing is very sure, these numbers are not divisible by, not divisible by 5. Avuna kada? Ma odu gurtubettuko. A multiple of even number. Emavali? Multiple of even numbers. Odd numbers వస్తాయా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 2 ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ ఉండి 2 ఈవెన్ నెంబర్లు ఉన్నాయంటే మనం మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ పోగలుగుతామా? పోలేం. కానీ మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ కెన్ బి ఆడ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్. అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికీ? ఫస్ట్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 3 కాదో చెక్ చేద్దాం. అర్థమవుతుందా? డివిజిబుల్ బై 3 కాదో చెక్ చేస్తే 1 + 4 ఎంత? 5. 5 + 9 ఎంత? 14. 1 + 3 + 3 ఎంత? 7. ఈ 2 డివిజిబుల్ బై 3 అవుతున్నాయా? కాదు. సో వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్? రాదు. 5తో డివిజిబుల్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సే లేదు. ఎవ్రీ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ విచ్ ఇస్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 5 విల్ ఎండ్ బై 5. Every odd number which is divisible by 5 will end by 5. Let us see whether these are divisible by 7 or not. 14 and 9. Is it divisible by 7? No. 13. 13 and 7 ones 7. Remainder 6. 63. Divisible by 7 kada. 252. 7 3s 21. Remainder 4. 42. Divisible by 7. 7 2s 14, remainder 2, 28, divisible by 7. Ante except the first option, the remaining numbers are divisible by 7. So what rule did I apply here? Divisibility rule of 7. Ardhamaitunda leda. So this is how you have to guess whether when they are not squares, when they are not cubes. Immediately you have to go for whether they are multiples of a particular number or not. Or else we could have gone for sum of the digits. But if you have gone for sum of the digits, the sum of the digits in 3 places should be same. And 1 place it should be a different one. When I go with the product of digits, I should get 3 same answers. And in 1 place I shouldn't get the answer which I get with the other 3 options. Telsa leda? Ardhamatunda amma? Let's go for the next one. 29. He says female girls and brides. Come on. All brides are girls. And then all the girls are female. All the genders are feminine kada. Girl, bride, female, ఏంటిది? They all derive a gender. What is that gender? Female. So which option should be answer? Third option. Now look at this question. Make a, now only the first letter is changing. What is it? M, N. When I go for the next place, B, N and B. 2 letters. Now it should be 3 letters. So it should be N, B, K, L, E, R. అర్థమైందా? First only the first letter. Second 2 letters. Third 3 letters. Fourth 4 letters. Clear? Generous. This is an excellent question. GENEROUS. I'll tell you one thing, listen. We have seen many questions of this type. Entity, where coding and decoding, you do have some numbers. Every time, whenever you come across this type of question, he will not only give us only one word, he'll give us 2 words. Rendu words ichi, first word and its code, second word and its code. He used to give us 2 sets of words and codes. But now he's giving us only 1 word and 1 code. Ante maybe G is related to 7, E is for 4, N is for 5, again 4 here, this is 9, this is 3, 6 and this is 1. Except G, I don't see there's matching with the place values anywhere else. Avuna kada? Chapandamma. Etla sir mari? U ki 6 ki nenu etla link pettachu? U ki opposite is F. F అంటే 6 కదా? మిగతా చోటేమో నాకేదో పెద్ద అనిపించలేదు. ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, వాడు ఒకటే వర్డ్ ఇచ్చి ఒకటే కోడ్ ఇచ్చిందంటే పక్కా ఆ లెటర్స్కి ఆ నెంబర్స్కి ఏదో లింక్ ఉంటుంది. There is some unique pattern in which these letters are coded that you have to identify. There is no other option. Is this clear? What is opposite to O? Amma? How much is the place value of L? But what's written there? What's written there? 3 ante 1 plus 2. What's the opposite letter for E? V. What's the place value? 22. 2 plus 2? Opposite to E? V. 2 plus 2? 4. What did you do with N ante 14? 1 plus 4? 5. R 18. 1 plus 8? 9. 19. 1 plus 9? 10. 1 plus 0? 1. Further is adding till I get only a single digit. For vowels, go for the opposite letter and some of the place values. For consonants, place value, if it is a 2-digit letter, place value of the letter is in 2 digits, then add those 2 digits. అర్థమైందా అందరికీ? ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేయాలి? ప్రాక్టీస్. PRACTICE. First we'll go for consonants. What are consonants? P. How much is this? 16, 18, 20, 3, 3. Am I done with the consonants? Consonants, direct place value. If it is a 2-digit, then add. Single digit, write it down. 16, 1 plus 6, 7. 18, 1 plus 8, 9. C, 3. 20, 2. C, 3. A. Vowel, opposite letter. What is the opposite letter? Z. Place value of Z, 26. 2 plus 6, 8. I, R. What is the place value of R? 18. 1 plus 8, 9. E, V. V is how much? 22. 2 plus 2, 4. What's the answer? 798, 32934. Can you please tell me what option is my answer? Come on. Third option. Next question. Now this is a question which says 2 positions of a dice are shown below. When 6 is at the bottom, what number will be at the top? 6 is at the bottom, what number will be at the top? Simply is asking us what is opposite to 6. What is on the opposite face opposite to 6? 6 is adjacent to 1 and 2 here. Avuna? Cheppandamma. 6 is also adjacent to 1 and now what should this 6 be adjacent to? What number should this 6 be adjacent to? Should it be adjacent to 5 or 3? Amma? Chapale. Should it be adjacent to 5 or 3? Amma? 100% guarantee 6 has to be adjacent to 5. Clear? Yes. Next one. Mustard, sesame, fenugreek and onion. What's your answer? Onion. Look at this number 64. See, what I tell you is wherever there is an highest number, always concentrate on the smaller numbers. 16 plus 19, sorry, 13 plus 19, 13 plus 19, 2 times of 32. 11 plus 16, 27, 2 times of 27, 54. Similarly, 22 plus 8, 30, 2 times of 30 is 60. 7 plus 12, 19. 19 twos, 38. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 twos, 52. Pakka, right. 36. Shall I go with the differences? Amma? This is how much? 3. This is how much? 9. 3 and 9, I'm not sure what's happening next because I'll go with the last. Can you tell me what is the difference here? 243. What is this 243? 3 power 5. 243 into the 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 5. Maybe this is 3 power 3 and 3 power 4. Avuna kada. 3 power 3 ante 27. 3 power 4 ante 81. What is 28 plus 27? 65. Entama? 65. Do we have 60? Sorry. How much? 55. How much is this? 55. Do we have 55 in the options? Yes. And 55 plus 81 is 136. Whatever we have got is 100% right. Now look at this number here. This is 9 and 243. As discussed earlier, 243 is 3 power 5. What is 9? 3 square. This is 3 square and this is 3 power 5. Ante kada? So do we have a square? 2 square happy, 2 power 5 ante is not 8 kada? This is 2 cube. How much is that? Any other squares? No. And what we are guessing is not right. Etla sir? 9 cube. How much is 9 cube? 729 divided by 3. 243. 4 cube 64. 64 divisible by 3? No. 8 cube is how much? 512. 512 divided by 3. But 512 is not divisible by 3. 7 cube 343. Is 343 divisible by 3? No. 6 cube 216. 216. 216. Sum of the digits is 9. Absolutely divisible by 3. 7 3s 21. 3 2s 6. Right or wrong? Chapandamma. N cube by 3. What's the logic? N cube by 3. Now look at this question here. I'll make this question very easy for you. I'll just tell you some things which you're supposed to concentrate here. And if you concentrate on that, you will get the answer. Pretty easy, not that difficult. Look at this. This and this here are same. Obvious guy, I should get something like this and a line in between that. This and this. Is this clear? I'll just mark these 4 symbols here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How is this 1, 2, 3, 4 written on the other side? 2, 3. Entama 2, 3. Malla, second frame to third frame, this becomes basics. 1, 2, 3, 4. How is it written as? 2, 3, 4, 1. Avuna kada? Same. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be written as 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Where do I see? Will it be my first option or will it be my second option? Simple. This is how you guess it. Because I'm not getting any new symbol. I'm getting the only old ones. I'll just see the pattern in which they are being shifted. Clear? 39. He says, Meena is the wife of Srikanth. Next. Deepak is the brother of Vaidehi. Sarita is the paternal grandfather of Deepak. Vaidehi is the daughter of Srikanth. So Vaidehi is the daughter of Srikanth. Earlier, second line, Deepak is the brother of Vaidehi, and Sarita is the paternal grandmother. Paternal grandmother, father's mother. So Srikanth's mother, evaru? Sarita. చెప్పండమ్మా సరిత. డన్ కదా? ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? How is Meena related to Sarita? Meena is the daughter-in-law of Sarita. Now this, I'll tell you something. Many of you have wasted a lot of the time on this question. Mom, if I go with the difference between the letters, will I get the answer? And moreover, this is a question on letter classification. Yes, letter odd man out. You will never compare one option with the other. I can't compare this, this and this. You have to check the differences between the letters only within the given options. And if I go with the difference, will I get a consistent answer in all the places? No. I don't get the consistent answer. They are neither opposite letters nor corresponding letters. ఇట్లా కూడా అవుతుంది. కానీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అమ్మా, దిస్ ఈజ్ a set of letters which contains only how many vowels? This is also a set of letters containing only one vowel. Set of letters containing only one vowel. But this is a set of letters which contains two vowels. When I take the differences, I don't get the answer. There is no consistency between the options. When I go for opposite letters, when I go for corresponding letters, every logic I have tried and I'm not getting the answer, then there is only one logic that you are supposed to think of, and that is vowels and consonants. Indama? Vowels and consonants. Sometimes you'll have one vowel in every option, and then you'll find one option which does not have any vowel. That will be a group of consonants. Itla. Vowels and consonants, very, very important. Is this clear? What's the answer? Fourth option. Now, this question, be careful. Is he talking about embedded or not embedded? Amma? Every time be careful. Check whether he is talking about embedded or not embedded. This is very, very, very important. Understood, everyone? Chapandamma, what should I do? Can I find this in the diagram? Yes, I can find it in the diagram. Happy? Chapandamma, what about this? Do you find this in the exam? No, 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 no. This is impossible. You can't find that in the diagram. So which option is my answer? Second option. Now I see a question on syllogisms. It says some books are cardboards. All cardboards are charts. Some charts are papers. Some charts are papers. What is the first conclusion? Some books are papers. Is it so? No. Some charts are books. Yes or no? Yes. Some papers are cardboards. No. What's the answer? Only two. 43. Come on, endeavor. Whenever you come across this type of question, I have told you many a number of times, we have to see whether the letters are same or different. Whatever the letters are present in the word endeavor are also repeating in its code. Avuna kada? When the letters are same, we will see the pattern in which these letters are jumbled. So if you observe carefully, the first three letters D, N, E reversed. Avuna kada? Last three letters ROV reversed, and middle A and E are also reversed. So what's the question here? The question is on research. RESEARCH. Reverse the first three letters. This becomes SER. Last three letters. Wait a second. What does it become? HCR, and this is AE. Which option will be my Amma? Very good. Mirror image, I'm sure you'll guess the answer. What's the fourth option? 104, 68 and 40. Any guesses for this? 104, 68 and 40. These numbers are very close to squares. 104 is very close to what square? Amma? 10 square plus 4. Identa? 8 square plus 4. This is 6 amma. 6 square 36 plus 4. 10, 8 and 6. Avuna kada? Any guesses? Look at the first option. 260, 200, 148. 260 is what? Come on, 256 plus 4. What is 256? 16 square plus 4. What is 200? 14 square plus 4. 196. Next is 12 square. 144 plus 4. 16, 14, 12. Consecutive even numbers in descending order. Is this clear? Any guesses? Is there any other option which can be represented as a square plus 4 in the form? No. Realistic, fictional, antonyms. Realistic ante real, fictional ante something which is not real. So antonyms are synonyms are antonyms. Appreciation, criticism. Appreciation, criticism. Okay. 47. This is what are the numbers that are supposed to be changed? You change 21 and 68. 21 divided by 6, not possible. You'll get values in decimals. Next is 42 and 68. This is 42 and this is 68. Let us see 68 into 3 plus 21 minus 42 divided by 6. Come on. 7. Ante kada? Should be equals to 218. 68 3 times. 3 times of 60, 80, 180. 8 3 is 24, 204. Entama? 204. 204 plus 21. 225. Ante kada? 225 minus 7. 218. Clear? 48. What does C mean? C means multiplication. 13 into 8. What does B mean? Minus 51D. D ante divided by. A ante plus. C ante into. B ante minus 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6. Antena? Chapandamma first em cheyali? Bracket. 51 divided by 3 and enta 17. Now after bracket you have to go for division. How much is that? 48 divided by 6. 8. Next obviously you have to go for product. Every product is separated by plus and minus. 13 8s. Chapandamma 104 minus 17 plus 32 minus 8. Antena? ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు. చూడు 104 ప్లస్ 32 చేయి. ఫస్ట్ ప్లస్ చేసుకో, మైనస్ ఒకటి పెట్టేసుకో. 104 ప్లస్ 32 ఎంతమ్మా? 137. 137 మైనస్ 20 అమ్మా 136. అదే 104 ప్లస్ 32 అంటే 136. 136 మైనస్ 25. 136 మైనస్ 25 అంటే ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ప్లస్, తర్వాత 2 మైనస్లు తీసుకుంటున్నాం. హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? ఇంతేనా? ఎవ్రీ ఆప్షన్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ఎన్ అండ్ యూ. అవునా కాదా? సో ఎన్ యూ. ఓకేనా? FNTRS UBVDE అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. FNTRS BVD FNTRS UB. సింపుల్ అమ్మా, చాలా ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. అవునా కాదా? స్క్వేర్స్ ఏనా ఇవి? ఫస్ట్ 3 అమ్మా. 5 స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 20. 5 స్క్వేర్ కదా, 29 5s. సరే ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకో బాబు, ఇది 5. 29 ఇంటూ 30 అంటే సార్ 29 నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఎంత? 5 ఇంటూ 30 ఇది 7. అంతేనా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ టు 31 అమ్మా? 7 into 32. 30 into 7, 210, 2 into 7, 14. 210, 14, 224. సరిపోయింది కదా. 16 into how much is 164? అమ్మా మాట్లాడాలి నాన్న. 41. కానీ అప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకుంటాం? 40 అనే తీసుకుంటాం. అవునా కాదా? అంటే ఇది 4 కదా. చెప్పండి. 16 should be considered as 4 because it is 4 square. 4 into 41 is 164, but we'll write only 40 here. అవునా కాదా? సో స్క్వేర్ 25 అంటే 5 స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ 29 ప్లస్ 1 చేస్తున్నా, ఇట్ బికమ్స్ 30. 5 into 30 is how much? 150. 49 is nothing but 7 square. 31 plus 1 is how much? 32. 7 into 32 is how much? 224. Similarly, 16 is nothing but 4 square. 4 square into 41 is 160. 4 into 41 is 164. But I need to take only 40 here because 40 plus 1 becomes 41. So what is my answer? 40. Any doubts here? Come on. Thank you.